If your front lounge looks like this, to make the front bed, you will need the removable metal frame. This can be found in the cupboard. Remove the dining table if it is set up. Locate the black lever at the base of the passenger seat and pull it upwards. Slide the bed along the rail until it is flat. Repeat this process on the opposite passenger seat. Slightly raise the base cushion and secure the metal frame on either side. Put the back support into the middle gap. The bed is now made up.